Hey friends, welcome back. If your ViewSonic monitor suddenly shows a no signal message, don't worry, this issue is almost always caused by connection or settings problems, not a broken screen. Let's fix it step by step. Start by checking the basics. Make sure the monitor has power and that the power cable is firmly plugged into both the monitor and the wall outlet. Next, inspect your video cable. Whether you're using HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA, unplug the cable from both the monitor and your computer, then reconnect it tightly. A slightly loose cable is the number one cause of no signal errors. After that, open the monitor's on-screen menu and manually select the correct input source that matches the cable you're using. If the monitor is set to the wrong input, it won't detect your computer at all. If that doesn't work, power cycle everything. Turn off the monitor and computer. Unplug both from power. Wait a few minutes, then plug them back in and restart. This resets the signal handshake between devices. Still no signal? Try a different video cable, since faulty cables commonly fail without visible damage. For stubborn cases, check your graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers can stop your system from sending a signal. Update your GPU drivers from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. If the resolution is set higher than your monitor supports, boot into safe mode and lower it. You can also reset the monitor to factory defaults from the menu. Finally, test the monitor with another device to confirm whether the issue is with the monitor or the computer.